In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a contact in Freshdesk. If you've ever needed to clean up old records, remove test profiles, or tidy duplicates, this walkthrough will show you exactly how to do it safely and confidently. Before we start, a quick heads up. Depending on your role, you may need the right permissions to delete contacts. If you're unsure, check with your account administrator. It's also a good idea to double check that you're removing the correct records, since deleting contacts is a deliberate action and may be hard to reverse in many setups. First, open Freshdesk in your browser and look at the left-hand menu. Find the People icon, which represents contacts. Click it to open your full contact list. This is your hub for all customer and requester profiles. If you have a long list, use the search bar or filters to quickly narrow things down by company, status, or other attributes. Taking a moment here helps prevent accidental deletions and keeps your data clean. Next, select the contact or contacts you want to remove. You'll see a checkbox next to each name in the list. Click the checkbox for a single contact, or select multiple contacts if you're doing a cleanup in bulk. When you select more than one, you'll notice an action bar or toolbar appear at the top, confirming how many records you've chosen. If you're working with a large dataset, consider filtering first, then selecting, so you only target the intended profiles. As a best practice, make sure the selected names, companies, or other visible identifiers match the records you actually want to delete. Once you've made your selection, look at the top bar and click Delete. Freshdesk will prompt you to confirm. Read the confirmation message carefully, since this step helps you avoid removing the wrong contacts. When you're sure, click Confirm, and Freshdesk will process the deletion. If you selected multiple contacts, the system will remove them in bulk. This is particularly useful for deduplicating old imports or purging inactive test data. After the deletion completes, take a brief moment to refresh your contacts view or clear your filters to verify that the records are gone. If you're maintaining a regular data hygiene routine, consider documenting what you removed and why, so your team has a clear audit trail. That's all there is to it. Go to Contacts, select the right profiles, click Delete, and Confirm. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing in Freshdesk.